Good morning, hashtag Lola fam. Today I got a slime package and I've already opened it and stuff and I've started to play with it. But I'm just going to go ahead and show you my slime. So let's go. So the first slime that I opened was this one. So let's show you this one first. I'll do it in like order. And by the way guys, I've got two pink slimes. So yeah, and if you're wondering what it is on the front, it's borax, because if it was too sticky, but it wasn't too sticky. So now I can make, and I've got another little package right here. Packet of it right there. So yeah, so I can make slime. So this is the slime that I opened first, and it wasn't exactly how I opened it because it was a bit sticky when I opened it, and I didn't add any borax into it, so I've still got all the borax. But like, this is the slime. Don't know why I'm doing this on my hand. God, it's all over my fingers. Okay. And it's like, it doesn't squish when you do that, so but it does pop when I do this. This doesn't, it's not pop, it's not a thingy, but pops when I do that. And I still got my squishy to arrive, which I'll show you when I've got my squishy, but I actually won't be like unpackaging the squishy on camera. But yeah, next. So this is the first one that I opened, and I spent a lot of time with this one because I had to obviously knead and stuff. So put that one back. And if you like want to, you can comment down below to like for me to what to call this slime. So yeah, the next one I opened was another pink slime. So I have two pink slimes, but this one, and this one was supposed to all like be mixed together, but it made this colour, so I don't like it. So I'm going to keep them separate. But yeah, this was the next one I opened. Sorry, let me just move that back. It's really sticky still, but this was the second one I opened. So yeah, let's put that one back in the pot. So you can also comment down below what to call this one. You can have a nice look at that. It's like a hot. So this one's like a lighter pink, and this one's like a darker pink. So you can comment down below what to call that. And it can't just be light pink and dark pink slime. Like, that's just dumb. Not dumb, like dull. It's not really good, you know. The next one I opened was this yellow one. And they come in like these type of bags, by the way, guys. But I just took them out because I don't really like them being in that, because you can't really feel them when it's in that. So this is the next one. It's a nice yellow one. And I have an idea to what to call it. Lemon drop. That's my idea. But if you guys want to change the name, then you guys can. This is really nice. I really, really like it. And And no, I'm not trying to make a bubble. I cannot make a bubble anyway. If I was trying, I'd tell you like, right, I'm going to make a bubble. But I'm not making a bubble because I can't. So, yeah, that's that. And then the last one that I opened was this one. Now, I also have an idea for this slime. This idea for the slime was blueberry blue or sea blue. So you guys can change it, or you can like vote or something like that. So yeah, this is that one. So yeah, that's my blue one. And you can decide which to call this. I didn't know you have it, so you can look at them too whilst you're deciding. Okay, so if you like this video, this is where this goes. It's like so hard because I've left it out. I don't care about this slime though. And by the way, guys, like you can't even see my mouth moving. You can comment down below what like video ideas you want me to do, or like. But the only thing I'm not doing is slime dares. Like loads like of people on YouTube do slime dares, and it kind of like just ruins their slime. So I'm not doing that, and I only have a couple of slimes, and if I had like millions and millions of slimes, I'd probably do it, but I don't have a lot, so yeah, I'd probably do slime dares with that, but there's not a lot of that, so but yeah, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Make sure to comment down below video ideas and what slime was your favourite and slime names for them. Why am I going like that? I don't know. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell button, and yeah, goodbye, #Lola-Rose. Peace out.